Hello students. So I am Kaushik, your mathematics lecturer. So today I start very important concept. Very important concept. Equation. This is very important concept. Equation. So equations name mention ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ equal. Correct. For example, observe. Sum of two number. Sum of 3 and 4. How to rewritten? Sum of 3 and 4 is what? 3 plus 4. Correct? Next, another example. Sum of a number and 7. Sum of a number and 7. Usually, unknown value or finding value, you denote x, y, z. Correct? Sum of a number and 7, I rewritten x plus 7. X plus 7. Observe, 3 plus 4 and x plus 7, these are all called expression. Expression. 3 plus 4 are called numerical expression. Numerical expression because only presents numbers. Correct? X plus 7, these are all called algebraic expression. Algebraic expression because with the presence of unknown value variable. Okay, same example. Sum of a number and 7 is equal to 10. Sum of a number and 7 is equal to 10. Means x plus 7 is equal to 10. Is equal to 10. Observe, equal symbol with the presence of equal. So then the name called what? Equation. So now equation is what? Equation is nothing but it is a mathematical statement. Mathematical statement if two expressions are equal. If two expressions are equal, then the name called what? Equation. If two expressions are equal, then the name called as what? Equation. Example. X plus 4 is equal to 6. Y plus 2 is equal to 0. Z plus x is equal to 2. So these are all equation. So two expressions are equal. Two expressions are equal, then the name called what? Equation. Then the name called as what? Equation. Artha madkonta idira concept. So next, in equation, so first one already odidira. First one, linear equation. Linear equation name already mentioned ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Linear, nothing but what? One. So always highest degree or degree is equal to 1. Example, x plus 4 is equal to 6. X plus 4 is equal to 6. Highest degree or degree is equal to 1. So x plus 4 is equal to 6 are called equation. First equation already exists agide because two expressions are equal. So x plus 4 is equal to 6. Then y plus 2 is equal to 4. Y plus 2 is equal to 4. Y plus 2 is equal to 4. Another example. 2z is equal to 6. 2z is equal to 6. Next, 2x plus 4 is equal to 8. 2x plus 4 is equal to 8. So, this is the example of linear equation. Highest degree is equal to 1. But your main aim to find unknown value. Unknown value nothing but what? X, y, z and so on. Correct. So first, using transposing concept. Correct observe ಮಾಡಿ. If LHS number transpose to RHS, very important point. LHS number shift or transpose to RHS number, RHS value transpose, RHS shift ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. So condition, addition changes to negative, plus changes to minus, and minus changes to plus, minus changes to plus, and product changes to division. Product changes to division, and division changes to product. So easyಯಾಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Suppose LHS you shift to RHS, positive changes to negative, negative changes to positive, and multiplication changes to division, and division changes to multiplication. Very important point. Observe, x plus 4 is equal to 6. X plus 4 is equal to 6. Your main aim to find the value of x. To find the value of x. Observe, plus 4 I shift RHS. ನಾನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ RHS ಗೆ. So plus changes to negative means x is equal to 6. Plus 4 changes to what? Minus 4. Correct? Plus 4 changes to minus 4. Then x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Same, another example. Y minus 2 is equal to 4. Your main aim to find the value of y. ನೀವು y ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, y minus 2 RHS ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. minus 2. So minus 2 RHS ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? plus 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to 4, then plus 2, then y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. Next, another example. 2z is equal to 6. Your main aim, find the value of z. So 2z is equal to 6. Z product you shift RHS. Product terms na RHS shift ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so it nothing but what? Division. Multiplication changes to what? Division. And 2z is equal to 6. I written z is equal to, multiplication changes to division, nothing but what? 6 by 2. Z is equal to 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means z is equal to 3. Concept ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ problems? Z is equal to 3. Next, 2x plus 4 is equal to 8. 2x plus 4 is equal to 8. Observe, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ. Plus 4 shift to RHS, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x is equal to 8 plus changes to minus 4. 2x is equal to 8 minus 4 value 4. Next, your main aim, find the value of x. 2x is equal to 4, product. So shift RHS and it moves denominator, means what? Division. And x is equal to 4 by 2. Then x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Any confusion? Next, another example. A by 2 is equal to 4. A by 2 is equal to 4. Your main aim, find the value of A. Division changes to multiplication. Shift ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು. Division changes to multiplication. A by 2 is equal to 4. Then A is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to what? 8. 4 into 2 is equal to what? 8. That's the equation. It is a mathematical statement. If two expressions are equal, equal, then the name called what? Equation. So in first type, linear equation. Linear equation means degree is always is equal to 1. Degree is always is equal to 1. One irrelevant condition. Some examples. Then how to find unknown. Then how to shift LHS to RHS. If plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus, product changes to division, division changes to product, division changes to product. So next step, next equation. Next equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay. Observe. Already equations 10th already ಓದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Quadratic equation. Quad. Q-U-A-D. Quad. Nothing but what? 2. Nothing but 2. So means quadratic equation degree is always is equal to 2 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. Degree is always is equal to 2. So the equation is of the form, observe, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is equation first. Yes, because two expressions are equal. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is equal to a. Coefficient of x is equal to b and constant c. And constant c. And always coefficient of x square means what? A. Always not equal to 0. Always not equal to 0. Because suppose coefficient of x square is equal to 0. Suppose coefficient of x square is equal to 0. 0 into anything is what? 0. Remaining bx plus c is equal to 0. So degree is equal to 1, highest degree. Then the name called is what? Linear. Quadratic equation ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕೆ coefficient of x square not equal to 0 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Because suppose coefficient of x square is equal to 0, so linear ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು quadratic equation. So coefficient of x square is always not equal to 0. So quadratic equation 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ already x solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ by using the method of factorization, correct? First method. And by using the method of quadratic formula, this formula concept. Next, by using the method of complete square. Next, by using the method of graphical. Total 4 methods ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Factorization, formula base, complete square and graphical. Okay. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then quadratic formula. Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Whole divided by 2a. Here a is called coefficient of x square, b nothing but coefficient of x, c nothing but constant. A, b, c are constant. Okay, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So okay, observe one by one. By using the concept of factorization and by using the concept of formula base, ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Observe x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Compare. Equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square means what? 1 means in the place of a 1. Coefficient of x means what? 5 means b is equal to 5 and constant is equal to 6. First, by using the method of factorization, observe ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ correct ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. By using the method of factorization, observe. According to the rules of quadratic equation ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ coefficient of x square and constant, coefficient of x square and constant multiply ಮಾಡಿ. Coefficient of x square and constant, coefficient of x square 1 into plus 6 means plus 6. ಏನು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ plus 6 ಬರಬೇಕು. Either addition or subtraction, your result is what? Plus 5. Your result is plus 5. So two rules. ಯಾವುದು select ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Product, your result is plus 6. Either addition or subtraction, your result is what? 5. So I consider 2 into 3. 2 into 3. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ 1 into 6 is also possible plus 6. 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 or 6 into 1. So ಎರಡು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ. Factors of 6 ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. Observe 1 into 6 ನಾನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ because 1 plus 6 is equal to what? 7. But your result is what? 5. ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಬೇಕು. ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Subtraction ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 1 minus 6 is equal to what? Minus 5. 1 minus 6 is equal to what? Minus 5. So agala. Next. Minus 1 plus 6 is equal to plus 5. Yes. Minus 1 plus 6 is equal to what? Plus 5. Yes, brother. But product. Minus 1 into plus 6 is equal to minus 5, not plus 6. ನನಗೆ plus 6 ಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Either addition or subtraction ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. But 1 into 6 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Because addition or subtraction plus 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But minus 1 into 6 is equal to what? Minus 6, not plus 6. Okay? So 2 and 3 is your two rules. Observe. 2 into 3 is equal to plus 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Means x square plus 5x rewritten as. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. 5x can be rewritten again. 2x plus 3x, correct? 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Plus 6 is equal to 0. Observe, first two term, any common? Yes, take x common. Take x common, remaining x plus 2 plus. Again next to two term, any common term? Yes, 3 common term. So remaining x plus 2 is equal to 0. Again, x into x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2. Again common terms, x plus 2. X plus 2 common. Remaining x plus 3 is equal to 0. So condition, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to plus shift to negative means minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. So ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Substitute in the place of x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Observe, minus 2 whole square n 4. 5 into minus 10 plus 6 is equal to 0 possible? Yes. X is equal to minus 3. Check. Minus 3 whole square 9. 5 into minus 3 minus 15 plus 6 is equal to 0? Yes. And x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 3. Any doubt? So next, by using the concept of formula, okay, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗಿ. By using the concept of factorization or by using the concept of formula. So condition, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Whole divided by 2a. So using formula, first you know the values of a, b, c. A nothing but coefficient of x square. So a is equal to 1. B nothing but coefficient of x. D is equal to 5. C constant 6. Substitute in the place of a, b, c. X is equal to minus b and then minus 5 plus or minus root of b square. 5 square value 25. 5 square value 25 minus 4 into a value 1 into c value 6 whole divided by 2a. 2 into 1. 2 into 1. So x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 4 into 1 into 6 is what? 24. 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. Root 1 value 1 whole divided by 2. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 1 whole divided by 2. So, ಯಾವ cases ಬರುತ್ತೆ. First case, x is equal to minus 5 plus 1 whole divided by 2. Correct? Because plus or minus ಎರಡು included. Next, another case, x is equal to minus 5 minus 1 whole divided by 2. Minus 5 minus 1 whole divided by 2. X is equal to minus 5 plus 1 means what? Minus 4. Minus 4 whole divided by 2 means what? Minus 2. X is equal to minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 whole divided by 2 minus 3. So you got same result? Yes, minus 2 and minus 3. By using the concept of factorization or by using the concept of quadratic formula, you may move again. Any confusion? Next, another example. Another example. Observe. Another example. X square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So the equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So means in the place of a2, b minus 5, c plus 3. So, by using the concept method of factorization model, according to the rules, coefficient of x square and constant, coefficient of x square and constant, 2 into 3 is equal to what? Plus 6. So, rules ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ product ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus 6, either addition or subtraction minus 5. So, two rules. Already ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. First problem. 2 into 3 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 6 ಆದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 into 3 and 1 into 6. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಏನು 1 into 6 ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 1 into 6 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಮೈನಸ್ 1 into 6. ಎಸ್ 1 into 6 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ 2 into 3 1 into 6 ಬಟ್ 1 into 6 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 5. Yes, but 1 into minus 6 is equal to minus 6 not plus 6. So 1 and 6 are allowed. So your option only 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is equal to what? 6. But 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. But your result is what? Minus 5. So minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to plus 6. Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to what? Minus 5. Means 2x square minus 5x I will written minus 2x minus 3x very good plus 3 is equal to 0. First two term common 2x remaining x minus 1. Next two term common minus 3 remaining x minus 1 is equal to 0. Again common term x minus 1. So remaining 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. Minus changes to plus. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 3 by 2, correct? X is equal to 3 by 2. So by using quadratic formula also, so in the place of a, b, c, substitute ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. So then you got same answer, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 by 2. Any confusion? Quadratic equations ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? Some problems try ಮಾಡಿ. Confusion ಆದರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Next 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. By using a method of factorization and by using a method of quadratic formula, so two methods ಕೂಡ apply ಮಾಡಿ. Two methods ಕೂಡ apply ಮಾಡಿ. So try ಮಾಡಿ. Suppose ಏನಾದರೂ confusion ಆದರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. Okay? Thank you.